Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a collaboration type of video with a good friend of mine. His name is Rex Tata, and he has a really good channel that's very similar to mine, and he has allowed me to upload one of his videos to my channel to share with you guys, and it's a really good one. It's an affiliate marketing video. It'll teach you how to make over $900 using Digistore 24. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, come over to my channel here at Kevin Lehner, Freedom Motivator, and click the subscribe button, or you can click the subscribe button right down below the video there, and don't forget to click that little notification bell as well so you get notified when I upload new videos. And second of all, I recommend you come over here to Rex's channel. It's right here. It's called Smart Online Payday, Smart Methods to Make Money Online Every Day. His channel is very similar to mine. He shows a lot of good affiliate marketing methods with Digistore 24, ClickBank, and so on and so forth. So I recommend you come over here to Rex's channel and make sure that you subscribe to his channel as well here, and you can see all the different videos that he has very similar to mine in affiliate marketing. Alrighty, well guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and if you don't forget, if you like this particular video, to reach down there and hit that thumbs up button after you watch the video, and certainly make sure you come over and subscribe to Rex's channel here, and so that you can see lots of other really great methods here to make money online with affiliate marketing. Alrighty guys, well guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so here on the next exciting money making video. You guys take care. Enjoy the video. Bye bye now.
What is up guys, and welcome to Smart Online Payday YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm going to show you guys one of the easiest methods to make a lot of money on Digistore 24. So this is my Digistore 24 login page. So I'm just going to log in. If I log in here, you're going to see that I'm making some good sales on Digistore 24. I'm going to show you guys a new traffic source that you can go and use and actually promote your affiliate offers on Digistore 24, and I start making some extra money for 100% free on Digistore 24. So be sure to watch this video step by step to the end and actually take action on this method to start making some money like this on Digistore 24 as well for 100% free. So method I'm going to show you guys the huge traffic source, so be sure to watch step by step to the end. I'm going to go and follow the technique to earn a lot of money. So the traffic source I'm going to show you guys, you can see here the traffic of this website is actually growing every day. You can see it's growing every day right here and going up. So you're actually going to promote affiliate offer on this website and actually make a lot of money. You can see it's getting up to 56, almost 60 million visitors per month from this huge traffic source right here. If you scroll there, you go to see that majority of the traffic to this website is coming from top tier countries like United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Germany, and Australia. So you're going to actually promote an affiliate offer. You're actually going to make a lot of money because many people that are visiting this website right here are going to have the money to actually go and buy an affiliate offer. I'm going to actually target them very well, as I'm going to show you guys in this video. You're going to actually make a lot of money very fast on Digistore 24. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to make a first $700 plus on Digistore 24 using 100% free traffic. I'm going to show you guys a huge traffic source that you can go and use and get started without any investment. It's easy and copy and paste method. You can go and do this from anywhere around the world. So you don't need any website at all to go and get started with this method, and it's also newbie friendly. You're just getting started to make money online or on Digistore 24. Be sure to watch the video step by step to the end, because I'm going to show you guys how to go and properly implement this method and start making some money with this method right here. So be sure to watch step by step to the end to learn all the secrets. So if you enjoy the Smart Online Payday YouTube channel, please subscribe to the channel. So go to the different that are posting new smart methods to earn a lot of money online. So I'm posting new videos on how to make money on Digistore 24, how to make money on ClickBank, and some general make money online methods that you can go and use and make money online. And most of the methods I share are also 100% free, so you can go and get started with this method. If you don't have any money to go and invest on paid traffic, you can go and get started with these free methods, take that money and reinvest back on paid traffic, and that's how you're going to be able to make a lot more money consistently online. Also, want to learn my most recommended method to start making some extra money online, be sure to click the first in the description. Go and get my step-by-step method I'm using to make some extra money very fast online. So that's guys, so let's get into this video. Let me show you guys this smart method to go and use and start making some sales very fast on Digistore 24 and start earning some extra money as well very fast. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay guys, so let's get into the video. Let me show you guys exactly what we're going to do and start earning some extra money like this very easily on Digital24 for 100% free. So the first thing you're going to want to do with this method is you're going to go to the marketplace. You can see right here, once you sign up for a free account on Digital24, you're going to want to see their marketplace accounts right here. You can see right here, this marketplace. So click on this. You're going to go to the marketplace. You're going to see a lot of offers that are actually converting very well on the Digital24 affiliate marketplace. You can go and use and actually make a lot of money on complete autopilot, as I'm going to be showing guys in this video right here. So what I want to do is I want to look for products that are going to sort by sales rank. You're going to see the top selling products on the affiliate marketplace. You're going to click by sales rank. You can see right here the top selling products on the marketplace right now is called Meticore. You're going to see the next one is called 2 Mastery and Monetization. You can go and promote any of these affiliate offers and actually make a lot of money. So what you're going to look for is that you're going to look for offers that are actually converting very well, and they also have very low refund rate. So let's go and check this one. You can see you're going to get paid up to £147 promoting this offer, so that is actually very high. So you're going to get paid 85% commission promoting this offer. I can see here the cancellation rate, so this is the refund rate of this offer, is only at 6%. So this is actually a good product you can go and promote, because many people that are buying this affiliate offer are not actually refunding this offer right here. But if you go and check out the other offers, so let's check out this one. You can see the cancellation rate, refund rate is at up to 17%. So this is very high. So we're always going to make sure that the offer they are promoting has very low refund rate. So let's scroll down. You can go and check the other ones. So you want 9%. So scroll down. This one is also at 17%. So these are also very high. So it's also 9%, and this product actually converts very well. So we're going to choose one affiliate offer from here. So let's just go and choose one right. It's called Meticore. So let's go and check out the sales page of this offer. We're also going to check out the affiliate support page as well to go and find out a lot more information about promoting this affiliate offer right here. So Meticore right now is a physical product on the Digital24 affiliate marketplace, and it's also a weight loss offer. So let's check out the offer. So if I reload this page, let me try to reload this page. You're going to see this a physical affiliate offer. So physical offers tend to convert very well, and many of them have very low refund rates, because many of these products are going to actually be shipped to the customer's address. That's the main reason that it actually has very low refund rates than digital products. So you're going to promote this offer right here, and you stand a chance to go and make up to £147 per sale promoting this offer right here. You can see the card per visitor is also converting very well, up to £9. So let's go to the affiliate tools area. You can see right here it's 5% revenue share right here. So let me show you guys how to go and promote this very easily and start making some money. So pay close attention. So the first thing you want to do is you want to look for videos to go and use and promote this offer very easily. So you want to go and find content on YouTube. We are not going to go and promote this offer on YouTube. I'm going to show you guys this huge traffic source to go and actually promote this affiliate offer and actually make a lot of money on complete autopilot right here. As I'm showing you guys, this traffic source is getting up to 56 million visitors per month. So pay close attention right here, because you can actually go and make a lot of money from this huge traffic source right here. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to look for relevant videos. So go to YouTube and type, for example, lose weight. So for example, lose weight. Once type, for example, lose weight or lose weight fast, and click on search, you're going to find a lot of relevant videos from here. We're not going to go and promote this on YouTube. What we're going to do is you're going to promote it on this huge traffic source I'm going to show you guys. What you're going to do is once type, for example, lose weight, you're going to find a lot of high quality videos right here on YouTube. What you want to do is you're going to click on this filter icon. So click on this. You're going to click on Creative Commons. So Creative Commons means that you can go and use these videos as your own, and you're not going to have any copyright problems. So click on Creative Commons. It's going to show you free videos that you can actually go and use and actually promote your affiliate offer very easily. We're going to use it and promote affiliate offer on this new huge traffic source that I'm going to show you guys right here. So pay very close attention and actually watch step by step to the end and take action on what I'm going to show you guys in this video right here. What you're going to do is you're going to look for a high quality video you can actually go and use and promote your affiliate offer right here. So let me just scroll down and let me just check for a high quality video right here. So you can see right here the easiest way to lose weight. This will change your life. So you can see this is a very high quality video, and this is in Creative Commons, which means that you can actually go and use it as your own and promote your own affiliate offer. So let's check out the video. You're going to find a lot of videos. You're going to find thousands of videos that you can actually go and use as your own and promote your own affiliate offer. So let's open this one. Let me show you guys how to go and do this. You can see this particular video has up to 6,000 likes. So this is a very high quality article that you can actually go and use and promote your affiliate offer and earn a lot of money. Once I find these high quality affiliate offers from here, what you're going to do is high quality videos from here. You're going to copy the URL. So right click, you're going to copy the URL. You can see copy the URL. Next, you're going to go and download this video right here. What you want to do is you want to go to Google and type this website called y2med.com, and it's a website that is going to enable you to go and download videos very easily. So let's go to y2med.com. So this is a website. So let's go to the website right here. We're going to download this very easily. So let's go to the website. You can see right here, this is the website. You're going to paste the URL right here. Paste. You can go see here. You can go and download the video right here. What I recommend is I can go and download a video from here at 720p because it's going to be a very high quality format right here. So you just click on download, and that's the guys going to generate a free download link that you can go and download this for 100% free. So let's click on this, and as you guys can see, it's going to go and download right here. So let me just cancel this one for this example. Once I've downloaded all these high quality videos right here that are in Creative Commons, what you're going to do is you're going to use it on this huge traffic source I'm going to show you guys right here. I actually promote your affiliate offer. You can see right here, these are a lot of high quality videos on how to lose weight that anybody that's interested in losing weight is going to actually check out these different videos right here and watch their video, and they can actually go and buy your affiliate offer right here. So what you're going to do next, you're going to go to the website. So let me show you guys the huge traffic. So you're going to use and promote your affiliate offer. This website right is called bchute.com. So pay close attention right, it's called bchute.com, and it's a huge traffic, so they can go and use and actually promote your affiliate offer. I can see the traffic on this website is actually growing every month. You can see it was right now, I was at 2 million. You can see right here it went down to 27 million visitors, but you can see right here it's growing every day for 21 million visitors. You can see up to 56 million visitors per month coming to this website, and it's coming from top tier countries right here. So what the main advantage is that this is an alternative to YouTube that you can go and use and promote your affiliate offers, and the main advantage is that there's not a lot of competition from here. So if you're going to enjoy this website right now and start promoting your affiliate offers, you can actually go and get a lot of targeted traffic, and you're not going to have any competition, and you can actually go and make a lot of money on complete autopilot. So the first thing you're going to do is once you go to this website, it's called bchute.com. You're going to sign up for a free account. Once you sign up for a free account on this website, you're going to be able to go and upload your own content on this website for 100% free and actually promote your own affiliate offer. So let me show you guys some examples right here. I can go and use and promote products on Diesel24 and actually make a lot of money. So let me type example ClickBank, for example. If I type example ClickBank and click on search, you're going to find a lot of ClickBank products and a lot of ClickBank videos that many people are actually promoting on this website right here and sending people back to their affiliate offer. You can see right here, this is a video. You can see this one has up to 400 views on this website. You can see this is a link back to the different affiliate websites. You can see this one 200 views. So I see these are different products. You can see this is ClickBank University. That many people are doing a review from here and they're sending people straight back to their affiliate offer. So let me just type example of Meticore. Let me see whether this product is also on this website. So let me type Meticore and click on search and see if we can actually find some reviews from here. You can see right here, these are Meticore reviews. You can see people are actually doing reviews. You can see this one has up to, you can see right here, 1,000 views on this website. So this person actually make a lot of money by promoting the affiliate offer on this website. You can see one 700 views, 300 views, 98 views. So what I can do from here is I can go and upload these high quality videos. So I'm going to go and download from YouTube. I'm going to upload these videos as well on bchute.com. I'm going to promote your affiliate offer in the description of the video. So let me just log into my account for this example, and let me show you guys how to go and upload the videos on this website very easily for 100% free. So let me just click on login. If you don't have an account on this website, you can just go and click on register and register for a free account right here. So let me click on login. And let me just log in for this example. This is my example account on this website right here. Once I log into your account, you're going to have this option to upload a video. So just click on this, click on upload new video. You're going to go and upload that video that I've uploaded from YouTube, and you're going to include your affiliate offer in the description of your videos. And that's, guys, you're going to go and start getting some instant traffic and start making some money very fast. So let's check out the video. So let's check out, this was the video. So let's say this is a video. Let's copy this as our title. So this is in Creative Commons. So let's go and paste it right here as a video title. What you can do from here is I can just go and copy the description as well. So let me just show you guys what you can do from here. So if you have a good description, you can go and copy the description from here. I can just go and paste it right here. What you can do from here next, I can just go and write a simple description. For example, discover a secret method to lose weight. Discover the secrets to lose weight. with fast, easily. And that's guys, you're going to leave a call to action to your affiliate offer. For example, learn my recommended method, learn my most recommended weight loss method. And that's guys, so what you can do from here next, you're going to input your affiliate link from here. So you're going to go back to Digistore24. You're going to go and get your affiliate link. So let me show you guys right here. So let's go and copy. You're going to click on promote and get your affiliate link. What you're going to do, you're going to go, for example, to Bitly. So let's go, for example, to Bitly, and let's go and create a free PDF. Let's go and create a free link. So it's going to be a lot shorter on their website. So let's copy this. We're going to paste this in the description of our video right here. So let's go back to BitChute. So let me show you guys how to do that. You're going to input it right here. And that's guys, you're going to go and input it right here, and that's going to be very easy. What you're going to do is you're going to create a simple thumbnail. You can go, for example, to canva.com. I can go and create a very simple thumbnail that's going to show up in your videos right here. You can see right here, these are different thumbnails. Just like on YouTube, you're going to create thumbnails. You're going to input it for your video right here. So once I'm done right here, what you're going to do next, you're going to go and upload your video. So let me show you guys how to go and upload your video from here. You're going to click on this. Once you click on this, it's going to go and give you an option to go and actually choose your video and upload it on this website right here. So what you want to do for me is you're going to click on this upload right here, click on upload, and we're going to upload our video from here. So that's guys, I've just choose a sample video. So this is not the video, I've just choose a sample video to go and upload for this example right here. So for example, I'm just going to go and upload a cover. I'm just going to go and upload a sample image from here as an example. So I'm just upload a sample image as a cover. And that's guys, I'm just going to upload this weight loss cover right here. And that's guys, our video is already done. What you're going to do for me next, you're going to just publish on this website. So you can say here publish now or publish later. So you can click on this. You can go and share this to publish later. So you're going to publish this now. So that's guys, you can see I've just uploaded a random image from here. But what you're going to do is you're going to create a simple cover image right here, and that's going to be a thumbnail. So I've just uploaded this one for this example to show you guys how to go and actually publish videos on this website. So once you're done, you're just going to click on finish right here, and that's guys going to be done, and it's going to have links back to your affiliate offer in the description of your videos right here. You're going to get a lot of targeted traffic and actually make a lot of money from this website right here. So it's a huge traffic, so you can actually go and use and actually make a lot of money from this website. You can see it's going to be links back to your affiliate offer on this website. So you're going to do is that the more videos you're going to upload on this website, the more traffic you're going to get and the more sales you're going to make on Digistore24. One of the things that I want to do as well is that once your video is being uploaded on this website right here, you can see right here my video is actually processing on this website. What I want to do is I want to click on the settings. Once you click on the settings right here, it's going to go and give you an option to go and add tags to your video from here. So you can see right here, once you click on settings, you're going to input, for example, hashtags, for example, fitness. Input, for example, hashtag fitness, weight loss. So that many people are going to find, when people search for this type of keywords on this website, that are going to actually find your video on this website right here. So once you're done with me, you can just go and click on save, and that's guys going to be saved on this particular website right here, and you're going to rank for these different tags right here on this website. And the higher you rank, the more traffic you're going to get and the more sales you can go and make right here. So that's guys, so that's simple model to show you guys you can go and use right now and explore this traffic source right now that doesn't have a lot of competition, and start promoting your own affiliate offers and make a lot of money from this particular website right here. So share this video guys so that others can go and benefit from this method as well. Use it and start making some money online as well on Digistore24. So that's guys, you want to earn a lot of money on Digistore24 with this exact method of showing guys right here. So that's it. The secret is to take action on this guys, and you're going to start getting some results. So that's it. I will see you in the next video.